Good morning, dear. Now you know earlier we have completed chapter tribals, nomadics, community, society, and we have discussed about the different tribes, nomadics. Now, dear, our last chapter of this session, we are going to start chapter 9, chapter 10, not in syllabus, it is deleted portion, and chapter 9, the making of regional culture. Here you know, in this we'll discuss about the regional culture. Regional culture means a different culture famous in different region. Region means the area. Like suppose in your Rajasthan, different culture famous in the western Rajasthan, different culture in the eastern Rajasthan, different culture in the different part of Rajasthan, like this regional. So we have heard about the folk music, these are the part of regional. We have discussed about the language, these are the different regional language. So in this we will discuss about the regional word. Regional means region area, geographical area. And a region may be specified by the through the different geographical area. Sometimes it may be defined the which area is using different language from other. Sometimes it may be defined through the a different food habits of that regions, different dress up of that region. For a culture, different region is famous. For a culture, for diversity. So, like you know, in Gujarat region, different dance form is famous, like a garba or like this. In Rajasthan, different dance form for famous, like a ghumar. So, as a like we compared in this chapter about the different region of our country. So different type of cultures are found in the different region. So in this we'll discuss about the what type of regional culture found in Jagannath cult in Odisha, also famous Jagannath Puri. Another one we'll discuss about the Kerala. Later on we'll discuss the West Bengal culture also, which type of infrastructure used in that areas. How the you know different architectural style in the West Bengal. Dochalla, Chochalla will discuss. This is the different type of group like we'll discuss in this chapter. Different types of the plates used, terracotta plates used in that area. We'll discuss about the different type of architectural style used in Agra, Fatehpur Sikri. So sometimes some area may be influenced by the other area. Same architectural, same food habits may be we can observe in that area which is close to the particular area. So in this, now we are going to start the chapter. So in this we will discuss the making of regional culture. What are the different factors which play important role to make the cultures, to make the regions. So a region is made up by geographical area, by culture, by food habits, by different diversity, by what type of clothes they are wearing, their dress up like this. So in this earlier time in southern part, Chera's rulers were famous, and in this at a beginning chapter I started from the Cheras and development. So Cheras were the famous ruler. Earlier we have discussed about the Cheras, Cholas dynasty, and Cheras famous in mostly Kerala part. And in that area there is the one example given. Which one is the at the oldest or ancient time, earlier time, there was the famous area that is known by the Modepuram, that Kerala area. Earlier time, what was the name of Kerala? That is known by the Modepuram and today it known by the Kerala. आज उसका लेटेस्ट नेम जो है वो केरला है. जैसे यू नो राजपूताना राजस्थान. Okay, like this. So you know that is the latest name of Kerala. That is today Kerala. Earlier it was known by the Modepuram. So you know different जैसे like a Awadh today UP part है. Okay, Kalinga mostly Odisha and surrounding part. So earlier time there was a different old name. So Egypt like a Madhyapuram, which area known by the Madhyapuram today? It known by the Kerala. So you know, in that area there was a ruler imposed a famous language, that language which common and famous in that area, that was the Malayalam. So Malayalam was the regional language. What is the importance of language? So dear, you know, language play the important role for communication. Through this, we can express, we can share our ideas, our ideology to the other person. That's why the language plays the important role for communication. Without language, how do we communicate each other? That's why language is required here. So language which was famous in that area, that was the Malayalam. So in Kerala, earlier time there was the famous language Malayalam, and it is the example given that is the earliest language in that area which was composed, and Chera's kingdoms of Madhyapuram means Kerala, and in Kerala the famous language is Malayalam. And another part in that area, when they started the importance of another language, there were many epics which composed in Sanskrit language also in that area. In that area, they were composed the different ethnic or Sanskrit composition stories from Sanskrit, and their areas during the 12th century a library has developed. वहाँ पे 12th century में एक लाइब्रेरी डेवलप की गई, संस्कृत मलयालम बुक्स लाइक दिस kept inside the library, and they developed that area for that. So you know, earlier there was the library developed in 12th century, and during that time they also used different Sanskrit story, different poem, different ethnic composition of the Sanskrit, and they also translate Sanskrit into the regional language. Some epics translated from Sanskrit to local language. Local language was Malayalam. So they started the translation of the different epics or ethnic from the Sanskrit to Malayalam. So there was the famous word used, Lila Tilkam. There was the famous literally means, there was the translated, or it means the Mani Parvala. इसका मीनिंग होता है, there was the famous Leela Tilkam, and meaning is the Mani Parvala. Mani Parvala means what? Mani Parvala means dear, diamond and corals. So these were the two word used for diamond and corals. Okay, so diamond and corals were used for the Mani Parvalam. What were the literally meaning of the Mani Parvalam is the diamond and coral. So for which they use two words, diamond and coral. So they were used this two words for the one for the Sanskrit language or another for the regional language is the Malayalam. So Malayalam and Sanskrit language as a considered in that area is the Mani Parvalam. This means that both are the precious valuable product. That's why this language also considered as a diamond in that area, and local language also considered as the coral. So this is the story of first paragraph here. Those we have discussed Lila Tikama and meaning Mani Parvala, or it means diamond and corals. Why they are using the diamond and coral word? They are using the diamond for Sanskrit language, another one for local language, or which was the local language? Malayalam was the local language here. Now dear, our next topic is, we will discuss about the Jagannath cult. Earlier we have discussed about how in Kerala they started to convert different Sanskrit poem, epics, ethnic into the different language, or that means the Lila Tikam, and after that is meaning Mani Parvala, diamond and coral. Now we are going to discuss about the Jagannath cult. So in this topic here, Jagannath cult, Jagannath is located in Puri, Jagannath Puri. In normally we known about famous name. So in Jagannath cult is located in Odisha, on the Bangkok, means the on near the Bay of Bengal, and temple is located far away from the Bay of Bengal. And this famous temple located inside Jagannath, and it is gifted to, it is known by a famous for a Lord of Vishnu. So it is a deity famous inside this temple is known by the Lord of Vishnu, and it is indicate Vishnu for a local people, and Vishnu is the local deity in that areas earlier time. Today's famous temple. So earlier time, Vishnu is a local deity in that area. And what is the special character about this deity? It is made up by the wooden. ये लकड़ी से बने हुए हैं घोड़े इसके अंदर. It is made up by the wooden. जैसे in different temple you have seen that is made up by the metallic precious stone or like this. But in this temple it is made up by the wooden. लकड़ी से बने हुए. Okay. तो famous temple or inside the Jagannath Puri, it indicates the Lord of Vishnu. And in 12th century, dear, in 12th century, it is famous for a local god. And 12th century, Anant Varma, and ruler name is given Anant Varman, was the famous ruler in that area and started the construction of temple. Or it is frequently continue. Anant Varman, famous ruler in that area, started the temples. And 1230 frequently it is followed by the Anang. In your book is name is given, that is at the last paragraph, page number 123. In the 12th century, one of the most important ruler of the Ganga dynasty, he belonged from the Ganga dynasty, Anantvarman, decided to erect a temple of Purushottama. Purushottama is the same Vishnu, Purushottama. Okay. Purushottama, Jagannath Puri, and subsequently in 1230, King Ananga Bhima III dedicated the kingdom to directly and proclaimed himself as the deputy of the god. So, another one who strictly follow the Ananga Bhima, so he give the message to the local people that he is deputy of the god, and he is appointed by the god to rule in that area. So such message was given by the Ganga dynasty, and there one another famous thing is given about this temple, that Maratha, British, Mughals who so want rule in that area, so first they were attacked on that temple, because if they annex the temple, later on it is easy to rule, because whatever instruction given by through the temple, it followed by the old regions. So this is the another one important thing about this temple, and it is the famous for the pilgrims also, and whatever whomsoever power want to annex the Jagannath and that area, so most of they annex the Jagannath Puri temple, Maratha, Mughals, British, okay, and it is easy to rule because whatever instruction given by through the temples, so it will be followed by the old public who are living in that area. So this is the detail of Jagannath cult, and it is the for Lord of Vishnu, a local god in that area, earlier time local god in that area, and that is made up by the wooden, and work of temple was started by the Ananta Varman, and later on frequently in 1230 it followed by the Ananga Bhima also, and he also give the message to the others, he is deputy by the god to rule in that area. So this is the detail of the Jagannath cult and the Kerala. Now we will continue, we will discuss about the next topic on next day about the Rajput traditional and how the Rajput famous for a heroism. What are the different memories of the Rajput? Today we also memorize their stories, their bravery, and about their affection, devotion, like this. So this temple is devoted to the Lord Vishnu. So we have discussed today only Kerala and Jagannath Puri deer.